CDPHE found some pretty nasty stuff going on at the University of Colorado Hospital in Aurora. If you can remember back in July, there was some time that the hospital wasn't doing elective surgeries. We never got a definition on what those were, but they weren't doing elective surgeries because their sterile processing department was backlogged with a ton of dirty equipment. So a lot of surgeries got postponed or rescheduled at different locations. In their report, they have one person saying it was possible for surgical instruments to be unprocessed for up to 6 days due to the high volume of surgical instruments that needed to be processed. In their department huddle reports, the state says during the month of May, there were 20 days where the number of contaminated surgical instruments left unprocessed in the department exceeded 112. The total surpassed 500 sets on May 17th. And in June, unprocessed contaminated surgical instrument sets exceeded 120 over 18 days, including 400 unprocessed instrument sets on June 5th and June 6th. Back in July, I previously spoke to a woman who was set to have a gender-affirming surgery end of July 25th. She actually wasn't seen until 2 months later on September 25th. She's now recovering from that surgery, but if the hospital had just maintained their equipment, she might have been able to be seen earlier. UC Health did tell us that they were operating on a smaller staff, and they did hire more staff to clean more instruments to help catch up with the backlog. According to the state, the hospital is now in compliance.